Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the VCRUNTIME140.dll missing error in Fortnite. First, try repairing the game using the Epic Games Launcher. Open the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Go to your library and find Fortnite. Click on the three dots under Fortnite and choose Manage. Then click on Verify. The launcher will now scan the game files and automatically download any missing or corrupted files. Wait until the process is complete, then try to launch Fortnite again. If the error still appears, you need to install the latest Microsoft Visual C Redistributable files. Open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Visual C Redistributable latest supported downloads page. Download both versions, the x86 version and the x64 version. Even if you are using a 64-bit system, install both. After downloading, run each installer and follow the setup steps. Restart your computer once the installation is finished. If the problem is not fixed yet, update your Windows system. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Windows Update and click Check for updates. Install all available updates and restart your PC. After completing these steps, launch Fortnite again. The error should now be resolved. Thanks for watching.